So this is my last day, and I always want to do something exciting to finish off my career as a teacher. So today I'm going to pull the fire alarm. It's one of those things that you're always told never to do for fear of a $10,000 fine or 5 years imprisonment. So today I've arranged so that after 53 years of being in a school setting, to be able to pull the fire alarm.
Awesome. You want to say a few words here? Or?
I'll do it over there.
Okay.
Grab the drink. Nobody's thirsty?
Hey, Dave.
Hey,
Where'd you go?
what's that?
There's so much. Hi.
Yeah, you have to eat it, but I think you might just not. I was going to use all that up.
Hey, how's it going? Excited?
Yeah. So tomorrow I hand
There used to be a box in the
Here's your keys.
get handed in tomorrow.
You can't be fired.
Well, not yet, anyways.
Did you want to get on the ladder or?
No, that's just for my camera. No, I think we got it. Nobody's thinking you can get in. I guess you all want to know why I called you here today. It was one of those things. I turn in my keys tomorrow. So I'm looking forward to retirement. I have a trip to Houston already planned for next week. I actually haven't been in the office for the last 4 or 5 weeks. It's 1 or 2 days at a time.
You've been at the gym.
What's that?
I said you've been at the gym.
Yeah, when the heart surgeon tells you you need to do something, you do it. But that's okay. That's all good. I'd like to thank everybody for all the years that I've worked with you as principals. I've enjoyed that time. I always wanted to pull a fire alarm. So after 53 years of being in a school setting and being told that it was a $10,000 fine or 5 years in prison, sorry, Brian, I hope it's okay.
It's all good, Dave. Anything for you. We could use the 50 grand.
That's only about 0.6 of a teacher. But anyways, I want to thank everybody, central office people, Brian and Brad, and where's Cal? Thank you for the years that I've been not only here as the technology coordinator, but also as a principal in the schools. Always had great support from people, and I look forward to a lot of time of travel. So again, thank you, and I would like to get a picture. So my camera's here, but also we're going to get Angela to take a picture. This juice and cakes I brought, so if you're interested in them, by all means take a few minutes. This was the only way I knew to get everybody here really quickly and not argue with anybody. So if we all just come across here and we'll get a picture, our camera's going to be over here. I'd just like to get a picture of the timer.
Do you want me to grab it? Yeah, I'll grab the other one. Give me your
There you go, lady. First.
My camera will work anywhere between your two sides. It's already ready to go. So I can get this? No, it's got just be between So you can see Angela's going to get her camera. Just set it right there because that's where I've got it.
That's where you put your tripod?
I've got the self timer here.
Like, I gotta get a focus on it.
Where's my keys?
I gotta get the focus.
They were gone for a bit, but they were never lost.
Okay, so we'll do a couple.
Dave, wipe that smile off your face.
I once lost my wallet. Didn't lose my wallet.
All right.
I found it on the roof of the Ralston gym. Okay, here we go. You'll see it blinking. Hurry up. And one more.
I don't know if it's
Only one. Good. We're done.
Here, one more.
It's that ADD thing.
All right, Darlene, get comfortable.
Okay, now we know this is what two. I don't want to keep you long. I know it's a busy day, but juice and cake.
Hey, Dave.
I have some comments I'd like to make. What I'd like to do today is service room. So please feel free to help yourselves, and we'll make our way back there. And I do have a couple of things that I want to say on this table. We'll do it there around here.
I'm gonna go get that ready.
Can't take these.
Yeah. Just bounce it right up.
She's leaving. Coming to 101. I guess he's got good news
Tracy, good job for your E8 close to stay
Yesterday.
I know where you guys are.
So if I need to know if I'm higher, I'm probably higher. All right, okay, so that works.
Like that for you guys.
It wouldn't have been a bad thing because she may not even be able to do her work.
We got
Wide open.
Have you done this before, Jeff? Okay, gorgeous.
Oh, I thought you meant sneezing.
Why not?
Yeah, I'll start. Yeah, I get 5 weeks
Thank you.
Wish those were $50 bills.
Good job there, Mr. Blamings.
Get us out of the price.
Which one did you pull?
That one right there.
There we go.
All the others.
Good.
None of it matters. Still in your office?
Oh, we're losing plates now.
Cupcake's still on the table.
There you go, Jack.
Marvelous job.
Makes one of us.
Wind really comes through here, like. Just perch. Binge? Binge and perch. Thanks, Jack, for pouring the vodka.
We have a garbage.
Yeah, thanks, Dave.
Looks good.
Yeah, I noticed that. You got one of those cold.
No, not anymore. My wife cut it off.
Let's go to principal.
That's right. And you still survived, and you still want to be a teacher.
And yeah, when I'm back.